Hello people, come let's cook this coconut rice recipe. So this is the rice that is good for me when I want to cook this kind of rice. I added just 2 cups of it and I gave it a quick stir. I covered. Once it was boiling out, I just opened it a while. So now I'm going to sieve it and wash it properly. I brought it back to the gas cooker. I added some salt. I added hot water from the kettle. I gave it a quick stir. And now I will be adding the coconut cream. That is the coconut cream that I am going to be using. You can buy it in any of the supermarkets that you like. So I gave it a quick stir. I will cover it and allow it to cook. So here it has cooked partially. I covered it with this paper, this fling of foil paper. What do they call it? I don't know. But I cook it on a low heat for a very long time. So as you can see, guys, the rice is ready. Enjoy. Thank you for tuning in. Join, follow me for more amazing videos. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Check out my channel for other videos that you might find helpful: health cooking recipe, health recipe, family lifestyles. Tune in for more amazing videos. Stay tuned for more videos. Enjoy. I stir it with my sauce that I was having, and this rice is a bomb.